finished watching The Big Year, meaning I have to get ready for my sort of big year. When I mean my sort of big year, I mean like I'm not going in the American Burger Association competition, which includes everything from Mexico border north and Hawaii and the French island Saint-Pierre-et-Miquelon, which is off of Newfoundland. But yeah, that aside, I'm not doing that because I don't think I can beat the 840 species count that was done by John Weigel in 2019. So, that being said, I have my own kind of big year thing I do. I do it with family and friends. And basically, if I can find my book, give me 1 second. Okay, got it right here. Okay. So basically, my big year is sort of done biannually. I started in 2013. Obviously, you know, the movie helped me get back to it, but being a biologist, I already knew what a big year was. I learned about the big year back in my college days in 2006. So for people who don't know what a big year is counting as many bird species as you can in a single year within North America, north of Mexico apparently. So in 2013, I completed it and I went hard. 2013, I got 175 birds, with the most impressive bird being my number 172 in 2013. A domestic/wild Muscovy duck. And this was found while I was traveling from my grandparents' place in Vancouver, north towards Fairview, Alberta. But it doesn't matter where. I mean, it does matter where. I was going north in Alberta on Highway 40 close to Wilmore Wilderness area. It was a blizzard. And I remember just driving. And I know I digress here, but I remember this. I was driving and it was blizzardy, it was snowing. And I saw this duck and I moved over and I got a good visual of it. Pulled off right afterwards, started pulling my book out and just trying to identify what bird it was, as my parents pulled up right behind me, asking why I hit the brakes. And I remember my mom saying, "You saw that duck," or I mean, "You saw that." Oh, I'll blink that out. Okay, anyway, yeah. So that was my high. It was 175 in 2013. Then again, I tried in 2015. Where I wasn't as successful, but I tried hard and I got 172 species, so it was 3 less from my record. So in 2017 I did it again, and where is 2017? In 2017 I got 136. It was pretty, 2017 was pretty low. And then the last time I did it, which is 2019, as you can see, this is a biannual thing, I got 168, and that was pretty good. So, I'm starting again this year, 2021. The rules I have for my big year is because I already know my record, which is 175. And my friend, main man Evan, he has his record too, which he will let me know and I will put up right here. Anyway, so our records to win between us is we have to beat our own records, and whoever surpasses the number of birds off their highest record wins the thing at the end of the year. The thing that we won, or the thing that Evan won last time, because I got 168, and he actually surpassed his, was a nice bottle of rum. So, 2021 has just begun. I'm going to win myself a good bottle of rum. You're going down, Evan. This is how my videos are going to be shown. I've figured out it's going to be very difficult to try to video as many birds as possible, but I'm going to try to keep you guys in the loop. Because it's hard to video and even capture birds on camera, I'm going to keep a list going. You will probably see my ongoing number in this bottom corner. And you will see the identified species up in this corner. Let's switch it on the other side. Let's do it on the other side. Yeah. So we're going to go on the other side. Yeah. The total number is going to be in the bottom left corner, and the identified number is going, or the identified species is going to be on the top left. I unfortunately will not be able to get every single bird on video. However, I will try to get them afterwards, but if I am not able to do that, you will see the random number list, such as the ones that are flying right now. That list will fly up, and you will just see that number shortly, which will add to the total at the bottom. Yeah. Whatever that number is. Yeah. And hope you guys enjoy. In addition, I will be trying to do a species fun fact every once in a while, you know, to add to my... It's fun. I enjoy it. It also gains professional development. So, I'm going to do that. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you're looking forward to taking this adventure with me. I forgot one extra detail. Obviously, I'm not going to be doing the big year that everyone else is able to do. Like, that's, you know, COVID-19, not traveling. Plus, I'll get to that point eventually when I become better. But my big year, or the big year competition that I have, is in 2 provinces and 2 territories. And it is called Western Canada Big Year 21. Thus the title. And then number 1 will be the 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. That'll be the number of videos that I give to you guys over the year 2021. Anyway. It is just BC, Alberta, Northwest Territories, and the Yukon. Yeah. So, I hope you enjoy the next couple of videos, or I hope you enjoy the videos to come, because they will happen quite a bit in 2021.